or
Okay.
the best is that you owe $27.54. Got it?
Either or. I'll take
Yeah.
either or.
No, I hear you. Now, that's the good news. When they were telling you that you have to go through an appeal process, I went back and looked at a little bit closer. So,
All right, folks, buckle up, because this courtroom drama is not what it looks like. Today, we've got a man who just finished serving over a decade in prison, now fighting for something as basic as a driver's license. Sounds simple, right? Wrong. What starts as a $180 fine spirals into a confusing mess of old charges, lost records, and unpaid clearance fees from more than a decade ago. And trust me, the stakes are high. This isn't just about paperwork. It's about freedom, dignity, and the right to finally move forward. Let's dive in.
to the fact that on April 15, 2023, Washington Avenue, Pittsfield Township, that you double parked a motor vehicle.
Yes, sir.
All right, court will accept that admission. Count two, count one is dismissed. Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid?
Like a month. I should have. Can I ask the question to you, Your Honor?
Mr. Clay.
This case is from 2009. I've been trying to get. I'm freshly home from doing a 10.5-year prison sentence. I've been out almost 2 years. I'm about to get all papers in 3 months. I've been trying to get my license the whole time that I've been off.
Okay, hold on. This case isn't from 2009.
No. This case just happened. But every time I go to try to get my license, they talking about it's something from 2009 holding me up, and I got to go through the appeal process.
Okay, hold up. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I can help you, but let's see.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see whatever I can do to get my license because I really do need.
I know. All right, hold up. Just.
Oh, sorry, but yes, sir.
No, it's okay. You wanted to yell at somebody today. I guess it's just me. Don't worry about it.
No, I'm not trying to yell at all.
No. Hold up. He's like, I ain't trying to yell at nobody. I'm gonna be off paper in three months. I'm just.
Yeah, I ain't never been off none in my life, so it's an accomplishment.
All right, hold on a second. Let me see what we got here. They're telling you it's something from 2009.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on.
They said I had a lot of possessions or something back then. Every time they called me, I had weed or something on my possession or something, and they said they want me to go through the appeals process.
No.
Like,
Okay, hold up. Here's what I got. Oh, really? People. All right. We're going to see if we can help you out here.
Take your time. Take your time.
You going to tell me to take my time in my court?
Sorry.
All right, Mr. Clay, you sit tight for a minute. I'm going to pass it. I'm going to have somebody look these up to see who the prosecutor is on it or whatever, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Don't ever say like a judge didn't help you out.
Oh, I greatly appreciate
it. All right. So here you go, because you're trying to get everything straight and get a license. So
yes, sir.
And I understand where you're going. Okay. Well, hold on a second. He's got another. Yeah. Hold on one second, because this one's out of Ipsy. They keep telling you it's from 2009, right?
Yes, sir. I didn't know.
They
say I had to go through the appeals process, meaning I got to pay for an arbitrator, pay for a drug test, pay for all this stuff. I don't have no money to do all that.
Hold on. Who told you that?
The Secretary of State. They give me a little packet. Okay. I got to fill it out and go through. I'm like, It's crazy. They gave me
Okay,
four times.
just hold on. That's his only case?
That's the only case that's converted that I can look at. What else?
Because this one, not that one. This one's out of Mount Clemens. I can't do anything about that.
This one, 07/21.
This suspension ended, but this one didn't. All right, let me pass it again. There's one more we got to look at. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So come back, Mr. Clay. Here's what we're going to do. Okay. So here's the good news. Good news is the thing out of 2009, there's a case out of our IPSI court.
This is where the story takes a sharp turn. Notice how the defendant keeps pointing to 2009 as the year blocking his license, but the judge uncovers something much deeper, a revocation all the way back from 2004. That's almost 20 years ago. Here's the shocking part. Bureaucratic mix-ups like this are painfully common. Imagine working to rebuild your life after prison, only to be told your future is tied to records older than some of today's college students. Question for you. Should someone really be held back this long by outdated charges? Or should there be a reset after they've done their time? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious where you stand.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There's two, it's really three cases, but really there's two dates. There's one out of 07, right, out of IPSI, and that's a driving on license suspended. Then in 09, you've got two of those driving while license suspended. Okay, out of IPSI. On those, the 07 case, we don't see anything. That typically would mean that the only thing that you might owe is a $45 clearance fee. That's on the 07. But I can't even say, because it's not converted over to the new system, I can't even say that you owe that. You may owe nothing on that one. Okay, got that?
Yes, sir.
On the 09 cases, which everybody keeps telling you it's from 09, the only thing that's holding you up over there is a clearance fee of 27. You've been paying on it, or somebody has. You owe $27.54 on that clearance fee. You follow that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at what's 27 and 45?
Hold on, I gotta get it.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, because
754, right?
20, yeah.
So 7254, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. That would be right.
7254.
Okay, so you, at worst over there, you owe $72.54 if you got to pay the clearance plus the balance on the other one. Or
Okay.
the best is that you owe $27.54. Got it?
Either or. I'd say
Yeah,
either or.
no, I hear you. Now, that's the good news. When they were telling you that you have to go through an appeal process, I went back and looked at a little bit closer. So what happened is, out of Mount Clemens Circuit in 2003, there was a
driving with I only case I ever had out of Mount Clemens was I was riding in a stolen car I didn't know the car was stolen.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. But you had pled to unlawful driving away of an auto.
Yeah, but it turned out I wasn't the driver. Somebody else.
No, I can't. You can tell me all about the case. I can't do anything about it. I'm just going to tell you what's here. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So That's where your license got revoked. And that was from 2004.
That's
So,
even longer.
all right. So, what I'm trying to tell you is you can clear up the clearances here in Ipsy, but if somebody at the Secretary of State is telling you, it seems to me that you've got to go through some type of administrative or appellate process on that. It's that revocation from 2004, not the thing from 2009.
Okay. So
If
how
that
would I
makes
go?
any sense to you.
Not really. I mean, from 2004, it is almost 2024.
Look, I don't make the laws. I'm just telling you what's there. All right.
I know. Yes, sir. I understand. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just trying to tell you what's there so that when they may be telling you the right thing, but it's not anything from 2009. Like I said, the stuff from 2009 is out of our Ipsy court. You either owe the 7254 or the 2754.
Okay.
But the revocation that's holding your license is from that incident in 2003, 2004.
Okay. So there's no way I can go around that.
Well, I'm not here to give you legal advice.
Oh,
I can't.
sir.
I can just tell you what's there so that you know
Okay.
what you're looking at. Okay?
All right. Yes, sir. Thanks for helping.
Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Clay, you take care of yourself. I think we'll be. No, I didn't give him a due date on his fines, did I? No. So when you gonna pay the 180?
Can I get like a month? Because I still got to pay my parole fees and stuff too.
See, he gonna tell me I gotta wait. This is see, I help him out. No, no, never mind. Never mind. So when does your parole end, fella?
October 19th. When I came home, I came home October 19th, 2021.
All right. I'm gonna do this for you. On a promise. You promise once you're done with that, you're gonna fly right.
I've been flying right this whole 2 years.
Well, I didn't care. I don't care about that. I'm
Yeah,
just saying, once you're done,
I'm done.
you're gonna fly right.
Yes, sir. I'm on the straight.
All right.
narrow
So
right
here's
now.
what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. The $180 fines and costs won't be due till November 30th. So a month after you're off. So you can
Okay,
get
thank
yourself settled. Don't forget about me.
Oh, I'm not. I'm gonna pay it before then. Way before then.
Okay, but you got until then to get that paid, and
Yes,
nothing
sir.
to
Thank-
happen. Okay,
you.
you get it done. If somebody says Happy Thanksgiving and you've forgotten about Judge Simpson, you know something's wrong. You hear me?
Yes, sir. Can't
All
forget
right.
about Judge Simpson.
All right, Mr. Clay, you take care of yourself, fella.
All right. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Please subscribe to help the channel.
And there you have it. This case perfectly shows the messy side of the justice system. Judge Simpson breaks it down. The defendant owes less than $100 in clearance fees, yet the real obstacle comes from an old revocation dating back to 2004. On top of that, he still owes $180 in fines, due right after his parole ends. It's a classic example of how small financial roadblocks can keep people stuck in the system long after serving their time. Now I want to hear from you. Was the judge being fair here, or do you think the system is stacked against people trying to turn their lives around? If you found this breakdown as eye-opening as I did, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who loves courtroom drama, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next case we cover.